So, you have been successfully gotten to grips with the Unger pure water cleaning system. Now you can increase your cleaning potential and take advantage of new opportunities. For example, you can now offer cleaning for solar panels, glass and metal facades, or canopies. With our pure water system, you're more than ready for those demanding tasks. The Unger Pure Water Filter range is truly top-notch. Whether HydroPower, Ultra DI or RO filter, whether used occasionally or daily, whether hard or soft water, we always have the perfect solution for you. Reliable and efficient, just as you would expect from us as the market leader. By the way, the HydroPower Ultra DI filters are extremely easy to use. And with our larger RO filters, you are also completely ready to go after just a few steps. Now you only need the high-quality water-fed telescopic poles and brushes of the Unger nLITE system. Whether on the ground floor or higher up, you will always work efficiently and super ergonomically with shining, streak-free cleaning results. With the pure water cleaning system from Unger, it's easy to do everything right, we promise. Make an appointment for a consultation today. Find out more here.